Hi everyone, it's Jeff here from Avada. In this video I will take a look at how to use the Avada maintenance mode. This is an integrated way to temporarily hide your site from public view while you are building or updating, removing the need for another third-party plugin. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to be notified of all new content. Okay, let's begin. For this example I'm going to use the Como Farm website I built during the Customizing an Avada Prebuilt site video series. You can find the links to that series under the video here. Maintenance mode is found on the WordPress sidebar under Avada, Maintenance, Maintenance Mode, or from the Avada dashboard at Maintenance, Maintenance Mode. Either link takes you to the specific page in the Avada Global Options. If you have the live builder open, as I do here, you can also just go to the Global Options tab and scroll down to Maintenance Mode. If you run the Avada Setup Wizard when first installing Avada, you will also find an option to activate the maintenance mode there. If you import a pre-built site, the option is on the last page when you are completing the setup. If you are setting up a new site, you will find maintenance mode under Features to activate on the content page. Here on the maintenance mode page, the only option initially visible is mode. By default it's off, but you have two options to choose from, maintenance and coming soon. As the description notes, these modes generate different status codes, so be sure to use the one appropriate for your situation. For this example I will set this site to coming soon. The next option is a URL redirect. If you wish, you can redirect users without access to another URL. For this example I will leave that empty. With the next option you have the choice of page template. The default template is chosen, which is a very basic page, but here you have the option to choose from any template saved in your Avada library. Here you can see I have a template called Coming Soon. Let's see how I made this. I started in Avada Library and created a new template called Coming Soon. Then on the starter page, I selected Avada Studio and filtered to the maintenance page templates. I selected one of these, set my import options, and once this was imported, I edited the content to match my intended site. And of course I would also edit and configure the included form to connect it to my email address, etc. Then I just saved the template. You could also just build one from scratch if you preferred. As you can see, it can have any builder content you want in it. So back in the maintenance mode options, I will now select my Coming Soon template to use here. User roles for access is the next option, and here you can select if you want to grant access to any users with specific user roles. I'll leave this empty, so in this case it will only be administrators that have access to the site. Then comes the Exclude option. Here you can add the slug for any parts of your site you want excluded from the maintenance mode. As the description says, this could be your feed, specific pages, or archives. Again, I will leave this empty here. The next option allows you to set a specific page HTML tag for the default template. I might add Coming Soon, new website for Como Farm. The last option is Robots meta tag. Here you decide whether the maintenance or Coming Soon page should get indexed by search engines, and no index / no follow is the default. I'll leave it on that, but if for some reason you want it to be indexed, you can change it to index / follow. Okay, let's save our changes here and head to the front end. Now I will need to log out so we can view the site as a visitor would. I'll just go to the root URL. And here's our Coming Soon page. Fabulous. Note how it's just the template content that is displayed, with no header or footer. Okay, so when we have completed the site, all we need to do is to disable the maintenance mode and the site will be live again, just like that. Okay, so that's the Avada maintenance mode, a very useful feature set that negates the need for yet another third-party plugin. Thanks for watching. Okay, that's it for this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with all the latest videos, and if you have any questions or need assistance, please create a support ticket and our team will gladly assist you. As always, we want to thank you for choosing Avada.